Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to add a new task on the Hizo application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, if you want to create a task, go to the left bar at the left side of the screen, and you can find the third action, and here you can check your task. If you want to create a new task, click to the add a new task button at the upper left corner of the home screen, and here you can add the title, you can add a date, you can set a reminder, you can set the priority in the category, and you can add different subtasks to that. If you finish, click to the save button, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.